So hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And if you're new to my channel, hi, my name is Lakshika Bansal and I would be really happy if you take a moment and subscribe to my channel below. And अगर आपने मुझे अभी तक मेरे Instagram पे follow नहीं करा है, don't forget to follow me there. मैं वहाँ पे भी almost after every 3 to 4 days कुछ ना कुछ डालती रहती हूँ. So yeah, that is that. And today we will be choosing our March TBR, that too blindly. And I can't believe it is already March, and for me it's somehow mentally disturbing that we have already passed 2 months apart. I'm also excited because we will be choosing our TVR blindly. So, first of all, these were our January reads, and I would like to say ki I didn't do the best job in sticking to my TBR. However, I read a lot of books, and somehow my lighting is getting fucked up. I don't know what is wrong. I think it went too dark somehow, but yeah, just be with me. Sun is not sunning actually, but yeah. So yeah, I didn't do the best job in sticking to the TBR, but I did read a lot, which you will be seeing in a wrap up video. So bear with me. And now let's do now I think I need to stop doing upshop and let's move forward with our today's March TBR video. So let me explain you a bit how will this work. So I have my wheel which has 19 numbers on it, and I'm just gonna spin it. Whichever number it lands upon, we will be unwrapping that book and we'll see what the books are. Now, I don't really remember what I've packed because I randomly picked 19 books from my cart and unpacked them, and they're in no order. And I didn't even number them so that it would be a surprise for me. And we will be counting them one, two, three, and so on. So, yeah, now without further ado, let's choose our first pick. Okay, so I hope you can see it. Let's spin. It is a number 17. So these are 19. So these are 19 books. Starting from 1, this is 19, 18, and 17, right? So let's pick this one. Okay. First of all, can we appreciate how pretty this paper is? Like, I loved it. Somehow I just realized we could have done this in Feb because of Valentine's, but I'm trying to open it nicely. I don't want to ruin this pretty paper, which I did. So yeah, let's see what the book is. And I'm going to choose 6 books so that I still get to choose randomly and do some mood read if I get to my 6 books. Okay, so this is our first book, which is Onyx Tomb, and I have been waiting for quite a long to read this book just because I didn't want to get out of my Empyrean series head, but I think it's quite time that we finish that series. And yeah, so the very first pick we have is Onyx Storm, and very happy. So yeah, I think I'm excited and nervous. So yeah, this is it. I'm going to place it back so that we don't mess up with our numbers. This is how it goes, and we will just hide this slice so that I don't land again on number 17. Let's move further. Okay, what is it? It is a number 13. So it was 17, right? 16, 15, 14, 13. Another chunky book. Let's see what this is. Okay, I'm just going to tear it apart and you guys get to see this first again. What is it? Okay, this is Prison Healer by Lynette Nooney, and I've been seeing quite a few booktubers talking about this series, and I have actually no clues. So let's hide this slide and move further. Okay. It is number 12. We didn't even touch this line, and 12 is just one above that one. And this one is pretty red hearts, and it is very adorable. So let's open, trying not to rip the paper, and I just tore it. So let's just take it apart. Okay. What is it gonna be? You guys get to see first. Is it okay? So this is Happy Place by Emily Henry, and I've just read two books from her before, which is what People We Meet on Vacation and One Another. I think that was Book Lovers. I read two books from her, and I'm not sure about her writing style yet. And I think we will be figuring out with this one. I've heard great things about this, and it says they go together like bread and butter, gin and tonic. Blake Lively and Ryan Reynolds. Every year they take a holiday from their lives to drink far too much wine and their favorite people in the world. Okay. Except this year, they are lying through their teeth because Harriet and Win broke up 6 months ago. Oh, it's like we didn't tell people that we broke up kind of trope. And they still have told anyone. They haven't told anyone. But the cottage is for sale, so this is the last time they'll all be together. They can't bear to break their best friend's heart, so they'll fake it for one more week. It's like those fake it till we make it kind of a trope, and I'm very excited. So far, very good TBR, and we have three more to go. So let's keep going, and I hope that we choose from this row as well. Let's hide the slice and then move ahead. Okay, what is it gonna be? 18. Okay, two consecutive numbers, which is mysterious. So we have again another red hearts. I'm just going to rip it off. I can't wait because we have great picks. And okay. So you get to see first. Is it upside down? Is it It is Love Theoretically by Ali Hazelwood, and I still haven't read The Love Hypothesis because for some reason I ordered that book from Amazon and it never came. But I'm very excited to read this one. I have mixed opinions by Ali Hazelwood. I've read two books. It was like hit or miss. Both of them were like hit or miss. And again, like Emily Henry, I'm still figuring out that if Ali Hazelwood is my cup of tea. I do enjoy her stories, but I don't think it is for everyone when it comes to spice. I read Deepen when it came, and oh, let me tell you, it was very spicy. So yeah, this is our fourth pick. I'm thinking if any other pick come from this row, I'm just directly going to slice it off because it is not going to be fair. But yeah, it is. But still, it is a random picking. I didn't do anything. So yeah, let's just hide this off and move ahead. It is number 15. Not gonna pick again from this row. We'll be hiding this slide and we'll be choosing another. Number 8. That's what we're talking about. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, this one. We have a book. Let's keep everything aside. Okay, so this is another pretty cover. Let's see, it's a very small, very light kind of a book, I'm assuming. So the fifth pick we have is Blue Sisters by Coco Mellish, and this is one of the 26 and 2026 reads of mine, and I'm very happy with this pick. And yeah, let's see what this is about. I've never read anything from Coco Mellish, and this is about sisters, as we can see in the title, but I don't want to read the back. I don't want to spoil anything for this book for me. And yeah, so we are going to go blindly for this one, and I just love the cover. It looks so aesthetic, and very pretty cover. If I have to choose from the prompt, like choose a pretty book cover, this would be the pick. But yeah, I'm very happy for this one because this is one of my 26 to read in 2026, and I totally forgot that list of mine before filming this video. And I think Prison Healer is also one of them, which is great. And yeah, so this is our fifth pick, and now we have to pick one more, which is going to be our final pick. So we have already chosen five and one more last and one more to go. So let's see what our last pick is gonna be. It is a number 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, which is a chunky one, very chunky one. So let's see. And I don't think I can remember what I packed in here. Okay, this one is tightly packed. I can't get my grip on this one. Okay. What is this? I think this is going to be the best tibia that I've chosen, that too randomly. So this is This Woven Kingdom by Tahira Mafi, and I have not read Shatter Me series from her. So this is going to be my very first book from her, and I'm very excited. It is okay. I'm very excited. So one of my favorite YouTubers, Sarah Hafi, talks about the series non-stop. She loves this and I love her. So I think I'm going to like this book. Let's read the back. I have no clue what this book is about. So, to all the world, Elise is a disposable servant, never to be known for who she really is. The long lost heir to an ancient Jinn kingdom. She is hunted always, forced to hide in plain sight lest she expose herself to danger, until one day she makes a mistake. The crown prince Kamran has heard the prophecies. He knows of the fearsome monster promised to kill his king. Darkness is fast descending upon this empire, driving Kamran whatever, to desperately seek out its sources. But as he grows ever more suspicious of the servant girl with the strange eyes, the more he learns about her. And the harder it is to turn away, if falling for someone like Elise means forfeiting everything he's ever owned. This Woven Kingdom is a story of clashing empires, forbidden romance, and a long forgotten queen who must claw her way through darkness to reclaim her throne. We all love a forbidden love trope, and I think I'm going to love this just by reading the back. And yeah, so we've already chosen our six books that we had to. So let me show you one by one what our final TBR looks like. So these are the six books that the TBR chose for us. So let me show you one by one. So first we have This Woven Kingdom by Tahira Mafi, which I'm very excited about. Second, we have Blue Sisters by Coco Mellers. Again, very excited about. Best TV that I've chosen till now. And then we have Emily Henry's Happy Place. And I have actually no idea what to think about. Then we have The Prison Healer by Lynette. Then we have The Prison Healer by Lynette Nooney. And again, very excited about. Then we have Love Theoretically, and I think I'm going to have a great time with this one because I do enjoy her writing style. It it always makes me giggle, and that is what we want in this fantasy world, to have a little cleanser palette. So yeah, this is our fifth pick. And then we have a chunky one, which is Onyx Tomb by Rebecca Yarros. And this is the third and the final book in the Empyrean series. And with this, we will be finishing off that series. And I think I'm ready to finish one series because I'm in the middle of a lot of series. So yeah, that is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed today's concept and I had a great time. If you did, don't forget to like the video, comment down below, and if you haven't liked the video yet, do go do and go and do it now. मिलते हैं next video में. Till the time, bye bye.